Hi there, my name is Lauren. I'm a beauty blogger and YouTuber, and today I'm going to be teaching you a little bit more about MODA's Ultimate Eye Kit. So this is a 6-piece brush kit that has everything you need to create endless eye looks, whether you want to do a halo eye or a traditional smoky eye, a cut crease, something really soft and natural. With these 6 brushes, pretty much anything is possible. Now, as is the case with all MODA brushes, these are made with synthetic fibers, so they're completely cruelty-free, 100% vegan. They can be used with creams, liquids, or powders, and they're super easy to wash and maintain. So the first brush is the Flat Eye Fluff Brush, which kind of looks like a really mini contouring brush. So you can use this for a number of different things. You can use it in the crease of the eye to buff in color, which is what I did today. But I feel like you could also use this brush to clean up an outer corner. You know, if you wanted to create a more precise line, you could buff a little concealer with this. Or you could use this brush as a nose contour. It would be perfect because it's nice and petite and it has that rectangular shape to it. And it fits perfectly right through the eye socket and along the bridge of the nose. Then next you have the Crease Brush. This is a staple in any eye brush collection. So this allows you to apply color to your crease or to diffuse it out. It's nice and soft and fluffy, which makes it really easy to use. It comes to a little bit of a tapered point, so you can really get like right into the most inner part of your eye socket and really blend nicely all along that crease. So I use this for my look today, not only to apply color, but I also used it to kind of buff and blend out a darker color that I applied with a different brush to the outer corner of my eye. Speaking of which, let's talk about the Detail Brush, which is one of my favorite MODA eye brushes. This is a great little multitasking powerhouse. It can do so many things for you. It's kind of a little pencil brush, but it's slightly larger than some other pencil brushes, so you can use it to buff color onto your lower lash line. You can also use it to apply color into the inner corner of the eye, or you can use it to pat color onto the outer corner, which is what I did today, and then I went with the crease brush and buffed it out. Now, if you're a fan of cut creases or you like to wear really sparkly eyeshadows, the Conceal Brush is going to be your best friend. I love using this brush to apply glitter glue to my lid before I go in with a metallic or glittery eyeshadow. It's got a really nice flat shape to it, so it's perfect for patting all over the lid. But it also has a bit of a sharp angle to the edge of the bristles, so this is also a great brush for cleaning up your eyebrows. So if when you're applying your eyebrow color, things are not quite as sharp and precise as you want, you can trace right along that brow with the Conceal Brush with a little bit of concealer and get a nice crisp line. And of course, you could also use this on your lid to apply concealer if you were doing a cut crease. Then next you have the Small Eye Shader, another one of my favorites from MODA. This is a great little packing brush for the lid, but it's still a little bit fluffy, so you can also blend with it as well. So today I use this to apply the color I'm wearing all over my lid on top of that glitter primer. So I just use a patting motion to pat down that metallic shade, and then I was able to go in on the edges and blend that shade out, so that way I didn't have any harsh edges. This brush also works really well with loose pigments and glitters. It picks up product really nicely, and I love that it has such a petite shape because I feel like it will work on so many different eye sizes. So if you have a smaller lid, you won't have to worry about not being able to have precise application with this brush. Finally, there is the Angle Liner Brush. It's always handy to have an eyeliner brush in an eye brush set. So this is perfect for using with gel pot liners, whether you want to just line the lash line or you want to wing it out. Or if you're going to use a pen liner or even like a pencil liner and you want to set your liner down with some coordinating eyeshadow, using a little angled brush like this is really, really handy to do that. It'll make your eyeliner extra intense and long lasting.